I've been waiting for a while for this one to come out. I finally got it, and to be honest with you, by having this Robomaster, I'm so confident with it that I don't even need the controller. To be honest with you, it's so easy to control just using your smartphone. But we're gonna go ahead and see what it's all about because apparently they made one for the Robomaster. It's pretty much lightweight. I thought it was pretty heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and compare the weight to Mavic Pro 2 controllers. That's the only thing that I have right now. And then I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I think of this controller. And to be honest with you, this Robomaster is already like really good already by just using your phone or your tablet. But we're gonna go ahead and see what's this guy's fit. If it's gonna fit the iPad Mini 5 or the iPhone XS or the whatever, or the this is gonna go ahead and see the size. So you get this in the box if you get the controller, and the quality on this one is pretty good. It feels like the Mavic Pro 2 controller. Even the color, I like this color. Lightweight too. And even has this right here that you can just put it like that. Very interesting. I wish they had it on a Mavic, but this one right here has like a stand, pretty interesting. Well, the only thing weird about this when I got it is just like the fact that what happened if you want to control it in your right? I mean, I'm so used to using right, especially with drone when I'm going forward, backwards, and I don't know why it's on the left. And I think you can mod it if you just use the phone. You can just mod which side you want to control. I think I'm not too sure, but I think it does that. But anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see what fits in here. So you can put your iPad Mini 5. Yeah, it fits. Your iPad Mini 5 fits perfect. Wow, without no problem. I don't know what's this part all about. I gotta go check it out. But it fits like this. It looked like it can fit a Pro. I'm sorry, the iPad Pro, the 10, or the, how you call this, the Air. If you have the iPad Air, and also fits the iPad. And right now it fits with the Mini. So it comes like that. But it has that grip so you will not drop your iPad Mini, I guess. Oops, I just turned it on. And let's go ahead and see if it fits on the phone. Okay, you can put your phone here, still fits with your phone. And let's go ahead and see what's in here. What else do you get from the box? So you get this charger here, USB, and you get some instruction. And you can use it for the mouse, for your phone, to charge. So basically they want you to use your phone. I thought it comes with it already. Like, see, when you buy the Mavic or the Mavic Air, it comes with this already. I don't know why it didn't come with that, but we're gonna go ahead and check it all out and go from here. I don't know if you're still gonna need this for the phone yet or whatever. But anyway, this is the controller. It finally came. I mean, it's very lightweight, feels good in the hand. And let's go ahead and turn it on. See if it'll go ahead and function right away. Really quick, guys. I already got the system, and I'm gonna go see what it's all about. Yep, so it works. Wow, it's very precision too. Okay, I think this is the blaster, the 2-in-1. So how would you, okay, you still need to control it. You still need to control by your hand, but it's much better now. and then you just go forward. So you still spin this way. A little bit confusing. Yeah, very precision. Yeah, so the controller is more precision. I think it's all about the preference, to be honest with you. I mean, is it really worth to buy another $75 for a controller? And I would say, I mean, yes, but is it necessary for you to have a controller? To be honest with you, I don't think so, because the drawback about this is the fact that there's gonna people are left-handed or right-handed, and people want to control this on the right. Like myself, I would like it if I can control it on my right hand side instead of my left. But people are different. People got different perspectives, so I don't know how that goes. But everything else is pretty good. I mean, everything is fine. And I don't know why DJI did that. You know, I mean, I think it's be better if you know, you have an option. It would be nice. But like I said, it's gonna be bulky, big. I don't know how that gonna be goes. But this is my thought of it, and yeah, it seems very precision on controlling, and you can see all the way down there. Look, I'm already on the edge, you know. So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, so if you are, I mean, that's a good thing. It's not like $100, but it's like $75. So yeah, so I'm just playing with it, and I figured out there's like a little slot here. I think you can put your wires inside of it, you know, because there's really no point to have a shorter one. I don't know why they did that. I thought it was gonna come with the lightning or something like that cable already, but yeah, but it's very precision. But let me go back out here. Let me go and take off the controller. Okay, disconnect the controller, and like I said, you can just go to your settings, and then you can change your oh, I guess not. I guess you're still all the same. I thought you can change the yeah, so I guess so. But yeah, everything else is fine. So it's basically, you know, it's basically almost, it's kind of like the same. So it really depends on you, man. If you think is a controller be better, hey, why not, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the range using the controller, and I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and see the range just using the iPad or use the phone. See if it's any better. You know what I mean? If it's really worth it, because there's gonna be some times that you just want to go ahead and bring your iPad, or you just want to go ahead and bring your phone, and you know, do you really need sometimes of this of use that you can just directly use the iPad also. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I'm just sharing you guys my thought. Thank you.